Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bradderstein. If you recognize this makeup and you're like, hey, wait a minute, I think I've seen that recently. Hello, sir. That's because I just filmed this look, which either just went up or is going to be going up after this, so make sure to subscribe for more of that and more of this. Come on. How are you not? Look at him. Look at him. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be a fun one. I am going to be showing you guys, wait, what I got on the FabFitFun fall edit? No, spring edit? Spring edit. FabFitFun spring edit. I ordered items. I'm going to show you them items right now. Before we get started, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and like it if you like it at any point while you're watching it, or right now just preemptively because you know you're gonna like it, because what's not to like? And smash that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos every week and I think they're pretty cool. Bye. And I think it's time we just go ahead and get into this video before this guy goes insane. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see everything I got in the FabFitFun spring edit, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first item I picked up is this guy right here. This is a reusable metal water bottle. I keep these at my office desk because I try to drink a gallon of water a day because I enjoy urinating all the time. But no, I try to drink a gallon of water a day because it's good for me and my body and my skin and everything. And if I drink 8 of about this size a day, that is a gallon. So if I have 2 on my desk, I can double fist water, refill double fist water until I am totally filled with the water. And also, plastic water bottles are bad for the environment, and plastic's bad for the environment, so I'm trying to make my changes. Step 1, metal water bottle. Step 2, clean oceans, world peace. Ooh, baby. That hair was really in there. All right, I guess we'll go and keep it in like the houseware thing, sort of like that. So the next item I got is in this box because I didn't take anything out yet, so just a second. The next item is this tiny little Moscow Mule mug. I thought it was so cute when I saw it online. It was just a couple of bucks. It's like a nice material, that's right. And then it's got this nice marbling with a metal handle. I thought this would be nice for, one, my collection, because I have a lot of mugs. My husband was not happy about this. He's like, how many mugs do you need? We don't even have a coffee maker. A lot of mugs. Leave me alone. But I got it because, one, I could drink it with tea, or 2, I could put my makeup brushes in it. So either way, it will get used. Don't worry, it'll be used. And I was excited to buy it because look at how cute it is, right? I love this kind of shit. And the next item on a list of things I did not need to get is in this box right here. It's these tiny little bowls. How cute are these? They're only this big. Look at it in my hand. It's the perfect size for 2 reasons. 1, to make me feel like a giant when I'm eating my cereal, which I don't eat cereal. I don't even know why I said that. When I'm eating my ice cream, that I do eat, to feel like a giant, and or portion control. To put it in there and be like, okay, this is how much you get. Don't go back and get more. Stick to what you're doing. And also, they're just like super freaking cute because like, look at that. I love them. I like the little bowls. Okay, now let's move into like skincare. Most of this is going to be skincare. All the rest is going to be skincare. The first item I got is this Spongely Beach Grass scented. It's one of those sponges that's filled with soap, so you can just get it wet in the shower, rub yourself down, rinse it out, leave it in there, and it is stacked with soap. I got this for my mother-in-law because she loves these a lot, and she got me one, and I was like, oh, I want to return the favor and get her one. It smells really good. They do last well. I don't love them myself. I feel like they kind of dry me out, but she loves them. So happy gift to you, mother-in-law. Enjoy. Hey, what's all that about? What are you talking about? What's happening? What's happening that you need to say right now? Nothing? Shh. Okay, the next item I got is one that if you've watched my videos before, you know that I absolutely love. We got this in a FabFitFun box once. It is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. The stuff smells so good and it leaves your hands so soft and it soaks in immediately. And when I saw this on there, I was like, oh, thank you FabFitFun for putting that on there because I don't want to spend full price on this. So everything on the FabFitFun edit is so cool because it's all like really lowly marked down stuff. And this is one of those items. So thank you FabFitFun. Love it. If you haven't tried it, would recommend very much. All right, the next two items are both from the brand Kula. These are both sunscreens. This is a classic sunscreen. I was like, are these the exact same thing? Did I get a big one and a minion of the exact same thing? But they are different. This is a classic sport one for the face, and this is one for the body. This is 30 SPF. This is 50 SPF. I already have this one. We got it in a FabFitFun box, and I wear it all the time throughout the week. This stuff under makeup makes you glowy as hell, almost too glowy for me with my oily skin, but I wear it anyway because sun protection, and I'm trying to be responsible like I do. It smells really good. And so I picked one up for the body because I have a body that I could put this on to try to protect from the sun. So, especially because I have this condition where if I go outside, I turn into a tomato and start to blister and get rashes. Not just a sunburn, I get blisters and rashes that last for weeks. It's tight. Being me is fun. Going outside, not so much. And I thought that that was the last item, but I just realized that I have something extremely cool to show you guys. So just give me 1 second. 1 second. This is the best one. This is a big one. I got a friggin' beanbag chair. Can you even believe it? So yeah, guys, I freaking got a beanbag chair. There's an option for a beanbag chair in my FabFitFun unboxing. Can we talk about that? That's amazing. It's amazing. My childhood and adult dreams are fulfilled. I am so happy. It is so comfortable. And me and my entire family, cats, well, not the dog. The dog doesn't really care about it. But me, my husband, and my cats are always fighting over who's going to be in it for the longest period of time because it is so amazing. Don't look at my fatness. But yeah, this was the final item, and this is my favorite purchase I've ever made in my entire life because I am a giant child. So I think I'm just going to finish off the video since I'm already here and I got it all set up like this. So that is everything I got in my FabFitFun unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you are excited for me and my new beanbag chair life journey because I am. Please, of course, if you like this video at any point, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos every week, and I'd love to have you here. And if you like to binge, like I do, you should click on one of these videos over here because these are links to videos I put up in the past. I think you should do this. I think this is a great idea. I hope to see you in my next one. And thank you so much, and goodbye.